Welcome back to Alex Auto Vehicle. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact SUVs of 2025, the all-new Ford Puma. It's sporty, it's smart, and it's packed with features that make it stand out in the crowded crossover segment. So, is this the perfect urban SUV for you? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2025 Ford Puma has a bold and dynamic design. Ford has refined its looks with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and an athletic stance that gives it a premium touch. The aerodynamic lines and sporty 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels make it one of the best-looking compact SUVs on the market. The rear gets stylish LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and a wide bumper that enhances its aggressive appeal. Plus, for those who love an extra sporty vibe, the ST-line variant takes it up a notch with blacked-out trims and unique styling elements. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Puma comes with multiple engine options, including a 1.0L EcoBoost mild hybrid that delivers 123 HP or 153 HP, depending on the variant. And yes, there's also a 7-speed automatic transmission for effortless city driving. The Puma is surprisingly fun to drive, with sharp steering, great suspension tuning, and responsive acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, it feels nimble and engaging. Plus, thanks to mild hybrid tech, fuel efficiency has improved, giving you up to 50 mpg combined. Step inside, and you'll see that Ford has really focused on comfort and technology. The 2025 Puma features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Sync 4 software, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are super comfy, wrapped in eco-friendly upholstery, and offer great support. There's also ambient lighting, a premium B&O sound system, and a panoramic sunroof option, giving the cabin an upscale feel. Despite its compact size, the Puma is surprisingly practical. The rear seats offer decent legroom, and for cargo space, you get 456 liters, which is expandable with the Megabox underfloor storage. And with features like a hands-free tailgate, loading groceries or luggage has never been easier. Ford has loaded the Puma with cutting-edge safety tech. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Plus, the new Ford Copilot 360 system adds semi-autonomous driving features for extra peace of mind. So, is the 2025 Ford Puma worth your money? With a starting price of around $28,000 and going up to $35,000 for the top-spec ST-line model, it offers great design, efficiency, tech, and practicality. Cut to a final driving shot. If you want a stylish, fun-to-drive, and tech-packed compact SUV, the 2025 Ford Puma is a strong contender. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the new Ford Puma? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alex Auto Vehicle for more awesome car reviews. See you in the next one.